Okay, howdy doody. Let's have a look at some textures. Here's the model that I didn't complete earlier. I'm going to use the paint bucket from the toolbar. Give it a click and it brings up your materials dialog box. We have two tabs, select and edit. I'm going to go to the select tab, and from the drop down you'll find most of the standard textures you're likely to want. I'm going to go for bricks and cladding, and you'll see you have a palette of options. Pick the one that's most appropriate. I'll go for this fella here, and then just move over your model. You get the paint bucket icon, just click on the surface that you want to apply the texture to, and you've got a nice brick surface. That's the default colour. You can play around with the colour, the hue, the saturation. You can make it lighter, make it darker, just fiddle with it. You can alter the colour balance to whatever is appropriate for your model. You can alter the opacity should you wish to, and you can alter the repeat rate. So this alters the size of your bricks basically. So if I made that 2000, I've altered the horizontal repeat rate. So I've just got big long bricks. You can just type horizontally, vertically, whatever you fancy. Okay. One thing that's very useful, I've had people ask me, you've applied a surface, I've played with the colour, I then mess around with my model, I do some other things, then I eventually come back and decide I want to apply the same brick texture to another wall. Okay, let's just pretend I've been elsewhere. I'll come back to the brick texture. I'm going to apply this to the front wall, but you'll see it doesn't match. It's gone back to the default colour. The colours don't match. Not a problem. If I click the Edit tab, I've got two options here. Match colour in object, match colour on screen. I'm going to pick the first one, and I'm going to just take the eyedropper tool and click on the surface that I want to match. And you'll see now the brick colours match whatever changes I made to that default. Okay, we'll have a quick look at Windows very easily. For Windows we do translucent. Again, a palette of options, pick the one that's most appropriate. I'm just going to go for a grey. Click on the window panes, zoom in, you can see it is translucent, you can see all the way through. You can apply a bit of colour to it, whatever's appropriate should you wish to, and you can alter the opacity yourself. Okay, and you'll see right through into the inside of the house. You've got your windows. So those are textures. I think you've got roof tiles, you've got renders, you've got concrete slabs. I think you've got everything you probably need. So have a play, and I will see you in the next video. Cheerio.